Hi, welcome to Zona Mechanica. There is an MCQ on simply supported beam. Figure at the margin indicates the weightage of the question, that is 2 marks. A simply supported beam of length L is subjected to a varying distributed load sine of 3 pi x by L Newton per meter, where the distance x is measured from the left support. The magnitude of the vertical reaction force in Newton at the left support is 0, L by 3 pi, L by pi, or 2L by pi. Well, let me draw the figure schematically. Let this be the simply supported beam. Okay. And the loading pattern is sinusoidal. That is, okay, like this. This is the varying load. Okay, and it varies sinusoidally, and this is the length of the beam L. Okay, and if we take a XX section at X distance from the left support, and let R be the reactions. Okay, clearly it is the load is symmetrical load about the mid span of the beam, so the reactions at the two supports will be equal. Okay, now the total load, the load expression for the load given is expression of load given is sine of 3 pi x by L. Okay, therefore the total load on the beam will be 0 to L sine of 3 pi x by L. Okay, dx. So this will be cos of 3 pi x by L, and this is L by 3 pi, and minus sign will come. Okay, this is 0 to L. Okay, minus L by 3 pi. This is cos of 3 pi by L minus cos of 0, sorry, 3 pi into L by L, then it will be 3 pi only, 3 pi minus cos of 0. Okay, so this is cos of 3 pi means minus 1. Okay, and this is cos 0 is 1, that is minus 2, so it will be 2 into L by 3 pi. So this is the total load, and it will be divided into two equal parts, that is 2R is equal to 2 into L by 3 pi. So R will be equal to L by 3 pi. Okay, so clearly it's matching with option B. So option B is the correct answer. Hope you have understood. If you are enjoying, please do share with your friends.